ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। We are studying chapter 7, knowledge about the absolute, text 15. We'll continue with the purport, but let us read the shloka. नामं दुष्कृतिनो मूढा प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमः मायया पारथा ज्ञान आसुरं भावम् आश्रितः। नामं दुष्कृतिनो मूढा प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमः मायया प्रथा ज्ञान आसुरं भावम् आश्रितः। नामं दुष्कृतिनो मूढा प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमः मायया पारथा ज्ञान आसुरं भावम् आश्रितः। Yes, please read the shloka. श्लोका पढ़िए. पूजा माता जी, you read the shloka.
जी माताजी. नामं दुष्कृतो मूढ़ा प्रप्यदन्ते न राधम मायाया प्रहाजनन् अश्रुम भवम् आश्रितः.
Okay, next. Bhavika, read.
नामं दुष्कृतिनो मूढा प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमा माया प्रद्यन्ते ज्ञान असुरं भवम् आश्रिता.
Next.
नामं दुष्कृतो न मूढा प्रपद्यन्ते नराधमा मायया पार्थ ज्ञान आशुरं भावमाश्रितः.
Next. Bhavika, done.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Translation. Those miscreants who are grossly foolish, who are lowest among mankind, whose knowledge is stolen by illusion, and who partake of atheistic nature of demons, do not surrender unto me. So we studied that 4 kinds of people don't surrender to Krishna. First, those who are foolish. Second, those who are like lowest among mankind, Naradhama, whose knowledge is stolen by illusion, and the fourth is who is of atheistic nature or demoniac nature. ठीक है, तो कल हम लोगों ने मूढ़ा का थोड़ा सा पढ़ा था. So we'll read the purport. We'll continue with that one. We are studying today. We will study about Naradhama. ठीक है. Another class of Duskriti or miscreant is called Naradhama or the lowest among mankind. Nara means human being and Adhama means the lowest. ठीक है. Nar मतलब होता है human and Adhama means the lowest. So Naradhama means lowest among mankind. So out of 84 lakh different species of living being, there are 4 lakh. Krishna, sorry. 84 लाख में 4 लाख किसका होता है? ह्यूमन स्पीशीज 4 लाख होती हैं. Out of these, there are numerous lower forms of human life that are mostly uncivilized. So हमारे में भी 4 लाख स्पीशीज होती हैं ह्यूमन बीइंग की. उनमें कुछ तो ह्यूमंस ऐसे हैं जो टोटली अनसिविलाइज्ड हैं. दे आर लाइक वेरी वेरी मीन्स काफी इतना सिविलाइज नहीं होते हैं. The civilized human beings are those who have regulative principles of social, political, and religious life. This definition is very important. Civilized लोग कौन होते हैं? जिनकी for those who follow the regulative principles of social, political, and religious life. Now tell me, in Kali Yuga, how many are the civilized human beings? Yes. कितने लोग हैं जो रेगुलेटिव प्रिंसिपल्स फॉलो करते हैं सोशल, पॉलिटिकल और रिलीजियस लाइफ के? यस. हु विल टेल मी? कितने लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं? कलयुग में देखा जाए तो कोई भी फॉलो नहीं कर रहा. Isn't it? तो सिविलाइजेशन का सिविलाइज्ड कहाँ से हुए वो लोग? नहीं हुए ना. Those who are socially and politically developed but who have no religious principle must be considered Naradhama. क्या बोला है कि those who are socially and politically developed, socially और politically तो developed है, मगर कोई religious principle नहीं है. मगर they don't follow any religious principles, so they must be considered what we call, they must be considered as Naradhama. ठीक है, no religious principle, so they are Naradhamas. It stated that Nor is religion without God religion, because the purpose of following the religious principle is to know the supreme truth and the man's relationship with him. Sorry, one second. Said those who are socially and politically developed but who have no religious principles must be considered naradhama. कि politically और socially तो developed है मगर there are no religious thing that they follow, so they are simply called lowest among the mankind. Nor is religion without God religion, because the purpose of following religious principle is to know the supreme truth and man's relationship with him. तो कोई भी religion जहाँ भगवान की बात नहीं है तो वो religion actual में religion है ही नहीं, because religion की कल हम लोगों ने definition में बताई थी, or maybe in the morning class also I told that the religion term, it comes from the Greek word religo, that means to link with the supreme person. और अगर किसी religion में ऐसा हो ही नहीं रहा तो वो religion कहाँ से हुआ? It is not at all a religion. ठीक है? Because the purpose of religion is to know the supreme truth and man's relation with him. In Gita, the personality of Godhead clearly states that there is no authority above him, and that he is the supreme truth. The civilized form of human life is meant for man's reviving the lost consciousness of his eternal relationship with the supreme truth. Civilized form of human life is meant for, और जो लोग अपने आप को सिविलाइज्ड समझते हैं तो उनको ये भी बताइए कि सिविलाइज्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ मींस टू रिवाइव वंस लॉस्ट कॉन्शियस ऑफ हिज इटर्नल रिलेशनशिप विद द सुप्रीम। और यदि आप ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप कौन हो? नराधमा। ठीक है, लोएस्ट अमंग द मैनकाइंड। Even having the human form of life, you are not establishing relation with lost relation with the supreme, you are simply a naradhama. ठीक है, they are simply a naradhama. We get information from revealed scriptures that when the baby is in the mother's womb, he prays to God for deliverance and promises to worship him alone as soon as he gets out. To pray to God when he is in difficulty is a natural instinct in every living being, because he is eternally related with God. But after his deliverance, the child forget the difficulties of birth and forget his deliverer also, being influenced by Maya, the illusory energy. आप सबको पता है कि गर्भ में ये भागवतम के जो कपिला देव का टीचिंग्स आएगा उसमें और भी हम लोग डिटेल पढ़ेंगे जन्म कैसे होता है। फिलहाल के लिए तो बताया जाए, आप बोलोगे माता जी मृत्यु तो तकलीफ वाली है, जन्म में क्या तकलीफ है? भाई जन्म में आपको अगर मैं बोलूं कि आपको एक छोटे से बैग में बंद कर दिया जाए जहां से ना हवा पास हो ना कुछ हो, अंदर स्टूल हो, यूरिन हो, बैक्टीरिया हो, बस हो, कीड़े मकोड़े काट रहे हैं, यू आर जस्ट पैक्ड अप समहाउ। सो क्या आप वहां पे सरवाइव कर पाओगे? बहुत तकलीफ वाली कंडीशन होती है मदर के वूम में। You know, the boy child is in a very difficult situation. At that time, because his relation with the Supreme, he prays to Lord, please save me. Please let me get out from here. I promise I will worship you. But as soon as the child comes out, immediately what doctor says, oh, it's a boy, it's a girl. Immediately into bodily consciousness. So बेचारा अपना नित्य इटर्नल चीजें कैसे समझेगा? माता पिता भी पूरी उम्र यही बताते भाई तुम लड़की हो, तुम लड़का हो, तो ऐसा करो, तुम डॉक्टर बनो, इंजीनियर बनो. So simply the bodily platform, the designation goes on. Nobody told, oh, you are the eternal being. You belong to Supreme Person. So let's engage your full life in service of Krishna. No one talks about it. No one talks about it because nobody knows. Because in the Kali Yuga, everyone is ignorant. You know. तो जैसे बाहर आता है वो माया के संगीन में हो जाता है जिससे वो भूल जाता है कि जन्म के जन्म में उसने कितनी तकलीफ देखी थी. ठीक है. It's stated here, it is the duty of the guardians of children to revive the divine consciousness of dormant in them. तो ये किसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? गार्जियंस की, हमारे माता पिता की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि हमारी जो डिवाइन कॉन्शियसनेस है इसको जगाया जाए. ठीक है. The 10 process of reformatory ceremonies as enjoined in Manusmriti, which is the guide to religious principle, are meant for reviving God consciousness in the system of Varnashram. तो वर्णाश्रम के सिस्टम के अंदर इस तरह की 10 ceremonies होती हैं, मनुस्मृति में मेंशन है, जिसके थ्रू गॉड कॉन्शियसनेस रिवाइव की जाती है. However, no process is strictly followed now in any part of the world. अब दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में इसको फॉलो नहीं किया जाता. एंड therefore 99.9% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन इज नराधमा. तो इसलिए 99.9% पॉपुलेशन क्या है? Lowest among mankind. No one can call themselves as civilized because their so-called civilization is not taking to the supreme person. So it's simply waste of time. So maximum population is of Naradhama, lowest among mankind. They are simply like animals. When the whole population becomes Naradhama, naturally all their so-called education is made null void by all the powerful energy of physical nature. क्या बोला है? जब सारे ही नराधमा है तो कितना ही कोई कितना एजुकेशन क्यों ना हो, एजुकेशन एजुकेटेड क्यों ना हो, everything is zero. According to the standard of the Gita, a learned man is he who sees on equal terms the learned Brahmana, the dog, cow, elephant and dog eater. ठीक है, भगवत गीता के अनुसार क्या स्टैंडर्ड है भगवत गीता के कि लर्नेड व्यक्ति कौन है? जो ब्राह्मण हो, जो I'm sorry. So learned person is the one who is equivalent to Brahman, is one who sees the dog, cow, elephant and dog eater on the equal level. कि समो समभाव से देख से पंडिता समदर्शिना. That is the vision of true devotee. Sri Nityananda Prabhu, who is the incarnation of Godhead as divine master, delivered the typical Naradhamas, the brother of Jagai and Madhai, showed how the mercy of a real devotee is bestowed upon the lowest of mankind. How many of you know the story of Jagai and Madhai? नहीं सॉरी, किसको नहीं पता स्टोरी जगाई मधाई का स्टोरी? किसको नहीं पता? यस, सबको पता है? एवरीबॉडी नोज द स्टोरी ऑफ जगाई एंड मधाई? प्लीज से यस और नो. किस किस को पता है स्टोरी जगाई मधाई का? मैं आई एम ऑडिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू. पूजा माता जी नोज. हु एल्स? भाविका आल्सो.
Yes, Mataji, I also know.
You all know the story, isn't it? So Jagai Madhai were totally degraded soul, totally degraded. Who delivered them? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Showed his mercy. They were the Naradhamas. So the Naradhama who is condemned by the personality of Godhead can again revive the spiritual consciousness only by the mercy of a devotee. कि भगवान तो उसको condemned कर देते हैं, मगर by the mercy of a devotee he can again revive his consciousness. Okay. Oh Krishna, sorry, I'm literally so it's the mercy of devotee by which we can again revive our consciousness. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, आस्था पढ़ो, आगे पढ़ो. हरे कृष्णा, आस्था रीडिंग करो. Anyone who is available, please. Yes, Astha, read.
Correct. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in propagating the Bhagavata Dharma or activities of the devotees, has recommended that people submissively hear the message of personality of Godhead. The essence of this message is Bhagavad Gita. The lowest amongst the human being can be delivered by this submissive hearing process only. But unfortunately, they even refuse to give an oral reception to this message. And what to speak of surrendering to the will of the Supreme Lord, Naradama, or the lowest of the mankind, willfully neglects the prime duty of human being.
Just hold on. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what he says, he propagates the message of Bhagavad Dharma or activities of devotee. He recommended the people submissively hear the message of Supreme Personality of Godhead. The essence of this message is Bhagavad Gita. इस message का essence क्या है? भगवद गीता. तो क्या बोला गया है कि इसको submissively सुनिए आप. ठीक है, चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने कहा. Lowest among mankind, human being, can be delivered by the submissive hearing process only. कि जो नराधमा है, ये कैसे इसका उद्धार हो सकता है? केवल submissive hearing से. But unfortunately, they even refuse to give an oral reception to these messages. Unfortunately, वो इन चीजों को भी नहीं सुनते, ना हमें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं. ठीक है. So Naradama, so what to speak of surrendering to the will of Supreme Lord? जब भगवान का मैसेज ही नहीं सुनते तो शरणागत कहाँ से होंगे? वो तो सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता. So the lowest among men willfully neglect the prime duty of human being. So ये देखो प्राइम ड्यूटी की बात हो रही है, तो मनुष्य की प्राइम ड्यूटी क्या है? भगवान को शरणागत होकर उनकी सेवा करना. जब हम यही नहीं करते तो we are neglecting our prime duty. So we are called Naradhama, lowest among mankind. Understood? So next, Bhavika, read करो.
The next class of Dushkita is called Maya Pratha Nana, or those persons whose erudite knowledge has been modified nullified by the influence of illusory material energy. They are mostly very learned fellows, great philosophers, poets, literati, scientists, etc. But the illusionary energy misguides them and therefore they disobey the Supreme Lord. There are great number of Maya Pratajanana at the present moment, even amongst the scholars of the Bhagavad Gita. In the Gita, in plain and simple language, it is stated that Sri Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There is none equal to or greater than him. He is mentioned as the father of Brahma, the original father of all human beings. In fact, Sri Krishna is said to be not only the father of Brahma, but also the father of all species of life. He is the root of the impersonal Brahman and Paramatma. The super soul in every entity is his planetary portion. He is the fountainhead of everything, and everyone is advised to surrender unto his lotus feet. Despite all these clear statements, the Maya Pratha Nana deride the personality of the Supreme Lord and consider him merely another human being. They do not know that the blessed form of human life is designed after the eternal and transcendental features of the Supreme Lord.
पढ़ो आगे पढ़ो.
All the unauthorized interpretations of the Gita by the class of Maya Prathagnana outside the purview of Parampara system are so many stumbling blocks on the path of spiritual understanding. The deluded interpreters do not surrender unto the lotus feet of Sri Krishna, nor do they teach others to follow this principle.
So the third class is Maya Partha Jnana, those who are scholars, scientists, philosophers. Okay? They consider Krishna as some another human being. They didn't consider him as a supreme person. And they don't even, they sometimes give commentary on the Bhagavad Gita at their own. But they don't follow any parampara system. So what these people, because they are not into the parampara system, they go by their own. These are that is the stumbling block for them to grow further, because they are the interpreters, so they cannot surrender to Krishna. ठीक है. The first class is Pooja Mataji, पढ़ो. Fourth class पढ़ो.
The last class of Dushkriti is called Asuram Bhavam Asrita, or those of demonic principle. This class is openly atheistic. Some of them argue that Supreme Lord can never descend upon this material world, but they are unable to give any tangible reason as to why not. There are other who make him subordinate to impersonal feature, although the opposite is declared in the Gita. In views of the supreme personality of Godhead, the atheist will present a number of illicit incarnation manufactured in the factory of his brain. Such person whose very principle of life is to decry the personality of Godhead cannot surrender onto the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Sri Yamunacharya Alam Sri, Yam, Sri Yamunacharya Alambandaru of South India said, "O my lord, you are unknownable to person involved with atheistic principle. Despite your uncommon quality, features, and activities, despite your personalities being confirmed by all the revealed scriptures in the quality of goodness, and despite your being acknowledged by famous authorities, renowned for their depth of knowledge in the transcendental science and situated in the godly quality. Therefore, grossly foolish person, the lowest of mankind, the Deloitte speculators, and the professed atheists, as above mentioned, never surrender to the lotus feet of the personality of Godhead, in spite of all the scriptural and authoritative advice."
So क्या बोला है यहाँ पे? So last class कौन सी थी? आसुरम भावम. ठीक है. जो demonic principle, those who are of demonic principles, or one can say डिमोनिक मतलब मेंटेलिटी जिनका रहता है. दिस क्लास इज ओपनली एथिस्टिक. ये कौन सी क्लास है? टोटली एथिस्टिक. मूढ़ा हो गया, गधों की तरह कार्य करता है. नराधमा, लोएस्ट अमंग मैनकाइंड. ठीक है. और ये तीसरा हम लोगों ने पढ़ा जो दो साइंटिस्ट माया परा ज्ञाना, कि जो स्कॉलर्स हैं, साइंटिस्ट हैं, ठीक है, ये अपने हिसाब से चलते हैं. दे डिडंट फॉलो द कृष्णा और देन डोंट सरेंडर. अभी लास्ट क्लास कौन सी? एथिस्टिक वाली, असुरिक प्रवृत्ति वाली. ठीक है. क्या कुछ तो आर्ग्यू करते हैं कि भगवान आए भी भौतिक जगत में. ठीक है. दे मीन्स बोलते हैं कि भगवान आए ही नहीं है जगत में, और उनके पास कोई रीजन भी नहीं होता. ठीक है. दे आर others who make him subordinate to impersonal features. So means they are totally into the वन कैन से, आप मायावाद में लगा सकते हो, दोज हु आर इनवियस ऑफ सुप्रीम पर्सन. ठीक है. सो एक चीज यहाँ पे लिखी है, द एथिस्ट विल प्रेजेंट अ नंबर ऑफ इलिसिट इनकार्नेशन मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन द फैक्ट्री ऑफ हिज ब्रेन. कितनी अच्छी से, envious of supreme personality of Godhead, the atheist will present a number of illicit incarnation. Illicit means that which is not according to the shastra. ठीक है. Such persons whose very principle of life is to decry the personality of Godhead cannot surrender onto the lotus feet of Krishna. तो जो ऐसे प्रिंसिपल्स ही नहीं फॉलो करता वो भगवान को कभी भी शरणागत नहीं हो सकता. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, जो यमुनाचार्य है उन्होंने क्या बोला है, ओ माय लॉर्ड, यू आर अननोएबल टू पर्सन इन्वॉल्व विद एथिस्टिक प्रिंसिपल. जो है नास्तिक प्रवृत्ति के लोग हैं, आप वो नहीं आपको जान पाते. Despite your uncommon quality, feature, and activity, despite your personality being confirmed by all revealed scriptures in the quality of goodness, despite your being acknowledged by famous authority, renowned of depth knowledge in transcendental science, situated in the godly qualities. कि despite being वो कितना ही educated क्यों ना हो, mode of goodness में क्यों ना हो, famous हो, they won't be able to understand your features, uncommon qualities, and everything. So this is atheistic people. They can never understand. So therefore, the four people we studied: grossly foolish, mudha, lowest among mankind, naradhama, and deluded speculators, the maya, pragyana, and the fourth one is asuric pravritti wale. So these four people cannot surrender unto Lord. तो अगर आप कई लोगों से मिलो जो भक्ति नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो यू कैन इमीडिएटली पुट देम इनटू इन चार कैटेगरीज में किसी एक में डालो और देखो किसमें फूट सूट करते हैं. यू वुड एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या लेवल है इसका. ठीक है, कितना इग्नोरेंस में है. यू कैन जस्ट पुट देम इनटू द एनी ऑफ द फोर कैटेगरीज. सो डोंट बी मोरस अबाउट इट. सो गो अहेड. Those who want to listen, tell them. Those who don't want to, don't waste time. Okay, I will stop here for some time for today. We'll go for the next verse tomorrow. So any of you have any questions or quick comments, so I will take up, or if nothing, then I will end up little early today because I have some rounds to chant. So yeah. Yes. Any of you have any questions? Yes, Asta.
मतलब जी क्या ये चार क्वालिटीज एक व्यक्ति में हो सकती है सारी की सारी?
Yes. He can be lowest among mankind. He can be Naradhama. He can be atheistic, Nastic, or mental speculator also. It can be.
Okay.
खुद ट्राई करके देख लेना. Then tell me also.
नहीं.
Okay? Try and then let me know also.
नहीं
Okay.
माता जी. I'll try to chant my round properly instead of trying this.
No, I'm saying try to find someone who is like that. Then let
Yeah.
me.
Okay. I thought मुझे करना है
No, no, you don't try. I'm just telling you. Try to find someone who is like that, who can be into the four categories. Then let me know also. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Any further questions? और किसी का कोई सवाल है? Any comments or any realizations? Yes, Pooja Mataji and Bhavika, do you have anything? आप में से किसी को कुछ कहना है?
No, Mataji.
भाविका के नहीं. ओके, होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड चार प्रकार के लोग कैसे होते हैं, आप समझ पाए होंगे. तो नाउ अभी कभी भी आप किसी को प्रचार करो, लगे कि वो नहीं भक्त बन रहा है, तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इन चारों में से देख लेना कौन सी कैटेगरी में है. सो इट बिकम इजियर फॉर यू. ठीक है. सो आई विल स्टॉप हियर बिकॉज आई हैव फ्यू राउंड्स टू चैंट. मुझे नींद भी काफ़ी आ रहा है. आई एम स्टिल टुडे आई एम फाइनली बैक टू माई होम. सो I will stop here. So tomorrow for Bhagavatam class, I will see you all. And devotees, those who are not sending their reports, so please be regular with your reports. So please reports bhejiye. Okay. Okay, then we'll be ending up. Let's chant 3 times Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Kandra Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki jai, Shri Krishna Arjun Samvad ki jai, Shri Prabhupada ki jai, all the Samvad devotees ki jai. Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow for Bhagavatam class. Hare Krishna, everyone.